Good morning, YouTube. I'm sitting here with E-Man. We're going to announce this morning the two winners of our 3 1/3 vlogs movie night pass giveaways, and they are Natalie Garcia and Trish Pishlow of Taylor, Michigan. So congratulations to you guys. I'm going to dip off for a quick second. I got to get the E-Man here over to school so he can further that education. And then I'm going to come back with you and we're going to start doing everything that we need to get set for tonight as we go out with K-Dog to celebrate her 13th birthday. So, as always, for right now, be about it. Okay, I'm here. No, that's good. I'm here at Bert's Bakery on Telegraph and Dearborn picking up the birthday cake for K-Dog. Perfect. Okay, so I just pulled up at the mall. I thought of one last gift to get K-Dog for her birthday to top off what me and her mom already have done. That will make everything complete. So I'm going to run in to the mall and grab that. And then it's to head home to get myself together and cleaned up before they get home from school so we can head out for this birthday celebration with K-Dog. Okay, so we're all home. And we're gonna call Kennedy down. We have her birthday cake here. Kennedy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kennedy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy 13th birthday, babe.
Really?
Whoa.
Yay!
Yay! All right. Okay, that's one phase of it, but now we're gonna head out and we got a surprise for you where we're gonna take you today for dinner, and we hope you like it. Also, you know, we already know that with the stuff that me and Mom got you already, you know, with the gift cards that you like to shop so much, I figured today that what better to go along with clothing and maybe a little piece of jewelry or whatever. Got you a little certificate to go and get your nails done and get you a manicure and so forth.
Want to go with
Okay,
her.
so, you know, we hope you like it. But go ahead, Mom. Tell H-Town what the deal is. Okay, Mom's a little shy. But, you know, can't have one of my homies going and getting a French manicure without looking out for the other one. So here you go, H-Town. Both of you, courtesy of me and Mom, got you a certificate to go get yourselves a French manicure done at the spa. Okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. So let's get ready, y'all. Let's pile it all up and go head out and go have some fun. I love these aquariums. They're so clear, and the exotic fish that they have in them. That's what I would love to have in the middle of my house. A nice aquarium that size with all kind of exotic fish. So this is awesome. Now, if that's not freaky to be sitting at a table and to have something with a head like that just roll up at you. take her out for her birthday dinner. She can have anything in the world to eat, and she does a McDonald's thing on me with chicken nuggets and French fries.
Barbecue's right here, baby.
Wifey's having some Korean chicken stir fry. H-Town is having the hugest burger ever. I'm having some shrimp and some, what do we call that fish?
Mooey mooey? Maui maui? I think that's
Some type of fish I never had before, but we'll see how it tastes. And we're still waiting on E-Man's food. Shame he doesn't feel so good today, but he's hanging in there like a trooper.
Alrighty guys, we are celebrating this young lady's 13th birthday.
Everybody's birthday. All right.
Let's celebrate, guys. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mama, to you. Made some special, made just for you. Hope you have a super fun shot today. Happy birthday, Rainforest Band. Hey! Happy birthday. One more.
Oh my gosh, you guys must sing.
Okay, finally made it back home. Kids are getting tucked away for the night, and it's been a long day, but I'm assuming this was a success. I had a wonderful time with the family at Rainforest Cafe and bringing the birthday cake home for the birthday girl. Another one that's in the teenage phase, and they grow up so quick. But again, big thanks to our subscribers, Natalie Garcia and Trish Pishlow, on winning our first ever 3/1/3 vlog movie night giveaway. Hope you enjoy it. And for those of you who subscribe to 3/1/3 vlogs, just remember to make sure that your YouTube profile is set to public so that we could be able to see who our subscribers are and be able to pass the love out to even more of you as we do our once a month giveaway for movie night. And hey, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like down below, and you can find all of our contact information at the bottom. Peace. Make sure you always be about it.